Hi, V.
Hi, teacher.
Hello, V. It's wonderful to see you again. Can you tell me what did you do today?
Today, in the morning, I
Mm-hmm.
eat breakfast.
Did you go
In a
somewhere?
hotel. A hotel.
Oh, in a hotel? Are you in a hotel now?
No, I am at home.
Oh, you are at home now. Why did you go to the hotel, V? What did you celebrate?
Oh,
I can I
I
can't hear
don't
you.
know to speak English.
Oh, you don't know. Okay, I thought it is someone's birthday. Okay, so you don't know how to say it in English. That is totally fine, V. Now, okay, so let me share my screen. And for today, we'll continue talking about this one, ancient Rome. So again, I believe you're very familiar with it. We have here stone, clay, glass, and metal. Do you know these three, V?
In clay. Clay.
Do you know clay?
Yes.
Oh, you know it all. Do you know it all?
No, I don't know
You don't know.
four and
Oh,
one.
you don't know stone. It is similar to rock. Okay, stone, V, it's just the same as rocks. Okay, wait, let me translate it for you. Stone,
Cục đá,
okay,
Okay.
and we also have metal. Metal.
kim loại,
Ah.
Okay, so that is it. Okay, so we will be focusing, talking about this four things. Okay, now what did they use to make homes in Rome? They used stone. Now, I want you to read 1 to 4 first, V, and we'll have a quick test about it. Okay, can you read it aloud?
Yeah. Some people in Rome had big homes with beautiful walls. What did they use to make the homes? They used stone. People cook meals at home. They used bowls like this one. What did they use to do make bowls? They used clay. People made beautiful cups for drinking. What did they use to make cups? They used glass. Men and women were generally in a second room. What did they use to do make neck necklace? They
Necklaces.
used necklaces. They used mirror.
Metal. Metal.
Metal.
Okay,
Metal.
again, V, can you read this word?
Jewelry.
Okay, yeah, jewelry. What about this one?
CN.
Ancient. Ancient.
Ancient.
Okay, next one.
Necklace.
Necklaces. See, we have ES, right? Necklaces.
Necklaces.
Okay, yes, there you have it, V. Now, can you tell me, what did they use to make homes in Rome?
They use stone.
Okay, yes, that is right. But can you remember um what they use to make bowls?
They use clay.
Okay, what did they use to make cups?
Can you read again?
What did they use to make cups?
They use glass.
And what did they use to make necklaces?
They use metal.
Okay, yes, thank you, V. Now, since we're done with this one, let us have the next activity. Okay, so it's still related to that one, V, and in here you have to encircle true or false. Now, the first one, some people in Rome use stone to make homes. Is it true or false?
It's true.
Okay.
It's
Now,
true.
people use clay to make bowls.
It's true.
People use metal to make homes.
It's false.
Okay, and people use wood to make cups.
It's false.
Okay, yes, there you have it. Thank you, V. That is all correct. So now let us have a listening practice. Listen and match it. Okay, let us start. I believe you can answer this one without hearing the audio, but yeah, let us hear it.
Page 39. E. Listen and match. 1,
People in ancient Rome used metal to make jewelry. They made helmets from metal too.
2,
Mhm.
In Rome, they used glass to make beautiful things. This vase and this cup are glass.
Mhm.
3,
What did people in ancient Rome use to make tables and walls? Sometimes they used stone.
4,
Look at that bowl.
Is it
It's
so quick?
clay. The toy animal is clay too. People in Rome used clay to make many things in their homes.
Okay. Mhm. What about the vase, V, the helmet, and as well as the walls? Okay. See, I told you you can answer this one without having to hear the audio. Okay, yes, all correct answers, V. Thank you. Now, let us have this one. Okay, so in here, all you have to do is to write what these are. V. Okay, like for example, this is, okay, we have home.
Home.
What about this one, V? What is it?
It's stone.
Okay. What about this one?
It's clay.
Okay, very good. Play. D. This is.
It's a bulb.
Okay, yes, these are bowls. Okay, bowls. Next one, wait. Okay, let us have this.
The
8.
metal.
Okay, we have metal. B. Metal, is it?
No. It's glass. Glass.
Okay, yes, we have. Is it? Mm-hmm. Glass. Okay,
No.
now,
It's
yes.
cup.
Yes, I wonder why you said glass. Okay, yeah, we have cups. Next one.
A little glass.
Okay, yeah, glass. Okay, wait, a glass, cups. And this one is
Um, necklace.
and necklaces. And the last one, we have.
It's the metal.
Okay, yes, it is the metal itself. Very good. Now, let us proceed to another one. Okay, so in here you have to make a question and answer that one. What did they use to make bowls? What did they use to make bowls, V?
They use glass.
They to make
No.
bowls?
They use clay.
Okay, they used clay. Okay, now what about 4-2?
What did they use to make cups?
What did they
They-
use to make cups?
They use glass.
Very good, V. Okay, next
What
one.
did they use to make necklaces? They used metal.
Okay, yes, very good. And last one.
What did they use to make homes? They used stone.
Okay, yes, they use stones. Very good, V. Now let us proceed in here. Okay, so I want you to read and fill in the chart right here. Okay, like for example, they used metal to make necklaces. Men and women wore jewelry. Okay, so metal, we have necklaces. What about for 2?
Teacher, what
Yeah.
is jewelry?
Jewelry, V, just like earrings. We also have necklaces, bracelets. Okay, those rings, those are jewelries.
Yeah.
Đồ trang sức.
No.
Yeah.
Okay, so that is it. The next one now. Okay, can you tell me the answer for 2? They used clay to make bowls. This bowl is in a museum.
Yeah. Bowl.
Yes. Okay, now next one. They use
Set
stone.
home.
Okay, and last one.
Glass.
Okay, yes, there you have it. Very good. Okay, now, what did you use? Okay, can you tell me what did you use to make a picture?
Color.
Okay, you used colors or coloring pens, V. What did you
Crayon.
use? Yes, I used crayons. Okay. Yeah, you can use crayons. You can as well use paint, right? Paints, coloring pens. Okay, now what did you use to make a project? A project at school.
I use the pen.
Oh, okay. You use your pen to make a project? Why? What was that project all about, V?
I write.
Oh, okay. It's just a written one. Okay, no wonder. Okay, so now since we're done with this one, let us proceed to the grammar animations of Unit 4, Lesson 4. Okay, let me prepare it first. Okay, and let me share my screen again. So now, can you choose the correct answer? What did they use to make bowls in Rome?
They use clay.
Okay, very good. Next one. What did they use to make jewelry in Rome?
They use metal.
Well done, V. What did they use to make cups in Rome?
They use glass.
Okay, very good. What did they use to make homes in Rome?
They use stone.
Okay, very good. Now, read and choose tick or cross. And if it is incorrect, please fix the sentence. What do they use to make cups in Rome? Okay, is it a tick or a cross?
A cross.
Why is it a cross, V?
I think what does they use to make cups in
Mhm.
room.
Okay, are you sure with that one? Yes, this is incorrect, V. Okay, but we don't say what does they use because when we say does, V, we only use that if it is, our subject is he, she, or it. But in here we have they, right? So it fits, V. What do they? Okay, now, okay, so it has to be what
What
did.
they used to make cups in Rome.
Okay, yes, there you have it. V, since it is a question in the past, V, then we will use not do, not does, but did. And then after that, we are going to use the base form of the verb, not use, not used, not using. Okay, not uses. Just use itself. Okay, now they used glass.
His stick.
Okay, it's a tick. Next one. What did they use to make necklaces on rope?
His stick.
Is it a tick too?
And now it's grass.
Okay, can you tell me which words make this question incorrect?
What did they use to make necklaces on Rome? On.
Yes, it has to be.
In.
Okay, yes, there you have it. In Rome. Now they uses metal.
Is grass.
Okay, what makes it incorrect? Mhm.
Yeah.
Just
Is
that?
is D.
Just that? Is it a question, V? Is it a question?
No.
Okay, so what is it? Okay, they. Yes, it has to be a period. Okay, they use metal. Next one.
What
What
is
they used to make
grass?
walls in Rome. Mm-hmm. That's right.
What did they use to make walls in Rome?
Okay, very good. Now they use stone.
Is thick.
Okay. So that is it. Now let us have another topic. Okay, let me share my screen again. And now, it is a review. So we have it in here. Okay, let us listen and pick. Okay, no need to write it. We just take the correct answer.
Page 40. Check up 2. Units 3 and 4. A. Listen, check, and write. 1,
curly hair,
2. Golf. 3,
glass,
4. Gloves. 5,
help my parents,
6. Sand.
Okay, there you have it. Now, if he has a curly hair, what is her hair like?
That's straight hair.
Okay, straight hair. What about this one? V, what sport is this?
Is baseball.
Very good. What material is this?
Metal.
Very good. What are these?
Is earrings.
Yeah, earrings. What's he doing?
He is on a project.
Okay, doing, working on a project. And the last one, V, it's
As stick.
okay, yeah, it is a stick. Now, moving on. Okay, read and number it. The snake is the same color and shape as the grass. Which picture shows that? It is this one, of course.
Yeah.
That is the example. That is the example, V. Okay, so now two. What did they use to make bowls in Rome? They used clay.
They use clay too.
Yes. Okay. Yes, very good. Now what did he do yesterday? He played basketball.
3.
Mhm. What did you do last weekend? I used the computer.
Yeah.
Which necklace does she want to wear? Okay, she wants to wear the white one. There you have it. We thank you. Next one. Okay, so what does he look like? He has short black hair and blue eyes. Now, what did she do yesterday?
She play tennis.
Okay, very good. She played tennis. What do the sunglasses look like?
The sunglasses is pink
Are
and are pink and beautiful.
okay. Did he play baseball yesterday?
No, he didn't. He played basketball yesterday.
Very good. V, what about you? What did you do yesterday?
The swim.
Oh, really? You went to the beach?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Okay. So fun, V. It's really your summer break. You're enjoying your time. Okay, so let us listen and fill in the missing response.
Page 41. D. Listen and write. Then act. 1,
Good luck with the play. Thanks. You too.
Thanks. Good luck with the play. Thanks. You too.
Very good.
2,
I can't find my ball. Don't worry. You can borrow mine.
I can't find my ball. Don't worry. You can ride.
You can?
Borrow mine.
Okay, yes, very good. You can borrow mine. Now, on to our workbook. Okay, so unscramble and tick. Okay, what is it? V.
Curly.
Okay. Curly, what about this one?
Wavy.
Next one.
Straight.
Okay, so which word suits him best? It?
Is
It?
curly.
Yeah, it's curly. Okay, so we're going to tick that one. Okay, tick. Okay, 2V. What is this?
Visit.
Oh, okay. You want that is 3. Let us have 2 first too. Okay, what is this?
Grass.
Okay, next one.
Field.
Okay, leaf.
A leaf.
Yeah.
And
And
the skirt.
not a skirt. I'm thinking of this word as well. It's not a skirt. It has C. Skirt is this one.
Don't know.
It Wait, I can think of this word as well. Okay, but what is this, V? It's a... Okay, yeah, it is a leaf. Okay, now let us have four. This one is...
Visit.
Okay, what about this?
Help.
Okay, and...
Practice.
Okay, yes. So what is he doing?
He is practice.
Okay, yeah, he's practicing the piano. What about this one? V, what is it?
Is glass.
Okay, next one.
Stone.
And
Metal.
what is it?
Mm. Metal. Glass. Stone. No stone. Glass.
Okay, yes, it's made of glass. Okay, yes, there you have it. V, now we'll continue the rest next meeting. V, thank you so much for your time, and we will talk about that word again next time. So I'll see you again on Monday, V. Goodbye. Enjoy your time with your family, V.
Goodbye.